Okay, good evening, my friends. Now I will explain you more a little bit about what is uses of like. So as you did it, this exercise, match the questions and the answers in the active grammar box. The active grammar box, we worked already there. So, and you said that number 1 is B, number 2 is A, number 3 is D, number 4 is C. Okay, and according as it says, what do you like to do in your free time? So, and it wants to know, and the answer is B. Okay, I like gardening. Okay, number 2, what would you like to do today? So, letter A, I'd like to start a garden. Okay, I'd like to start. So, it's a desire, that's something that you want to do about something. Okay, next, what is number 3? What is your garden like? So in that case, we're talking about characteristic. What is your garden like? So we want to know how. How is your garden? So how can be a synonym for it. Okay, and the matches, it is letter D, right? It is very peaceful. How is your garden? It is very peaceful. My garden is very peaceful. And finally, what does your garden look like? So in that case, we want to know appearance, okay? What does your garden look like? We want to know the appearance. So it is very colorful, okay? So in that way, we learned. Now, what about this? Match the definitions with the different uses of like. So, and also you did it. Number 1 was D. Number 2, B. Number 3, C. Number 4, A. Okay, so in that order, right? So, number 1, I want to, want or want to do, it's letter D. Okay, would like. Enjoy, number 2, enjoy, it is B. Like something that you like, or something that you enjoy. Okay. Number 3, appearance, C. Look like. Number 4, character of or characteristics. In that way is letter A. Be like. Okay. How is your father like? In that we want to know the characteristics of him. Okay, so that's why be like. So I will explain more a little bit of it. Let me now share my screen. Here it is. Okay, so I will present now what is more about this grammar, that is be like. Okay, be like. Here you are. Sixth semester. Today is September 3rd, so you must be happy because we are on September 3rd. Okay, your month. Okay, students. So grammar uses of like, as we said, like, enjoy, would like, when you want to do something. Okay, would like or enjoy something. Be, as we said, be like. Okay, maybe we can separate this. Be like, so but be as is are plus like. Okay, what does it mean when we want to talk about characteristics? Give characteristic, character, or characteristics. Okay, look like when we want to mention the appearance. Okay, so I have here now other examples in order you to notice them, and it says I like going out because I'm tired of quarantine. So I am using like, okay, because I like going out. Nowadays, we enjoy going out because we are tired of house. Okay, that's why we say like as enjoy. Or you can say here, I enjoy in place of like. Okay, I enjoy going out. Okay, here, so that is for like, okay, or enjoy. Now, what about this? Would like. In a sentence, I would like to study Chinese. Something that you want to do. Okay, I would like to study Chinese. I would like to go to China, to the United States. Okay, be so with plus like, so it is what here be in a question. We are using question. What is the weather like? What is the weather like? So here we are using be plus like. What is the weather like? Okay, so the weather, what is the weather like? Answer. How can we answer? The weather, or it is like, it is like, what is the weather like? It is cold or not? It is cold. It's very cold. Very cold. The weather in El Alto. Okay, or also we say character. What is your father like? It's, what is your father like? We want to know the character. It's strict. Okay, sorry, we are talking about father, not he. He is, he is, sorry, I made a mistake here. Yeah, he is your father. He is strict. Strict. He's strict. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Next. Finally, appearance. Okay. Appearance. What do you look like? What do you look like? Your appearance. So you can say, I look like my father. Your appearance. Okay. So that is the uses of like. Okay. Just in case this, what is your father like? As I said before, it is when we want to mention how is your father. So a synonym, we can say another question for this is how. How is the weather? How is the weather? And question mark. How is the weather? It is very cold. What is the weather like? It is very cold. How is your father? He's very strict. He's strict. Okay, so in that use, we are using like in different contexts. Okay, good. Now we're gonna continue practice with next exercises. Okay, now we're gonna work on classroom.